Hello, my name is Keletsana Mitselukula. I'm 19 years old and I want to be an actress. I'm a self-driven young lady and I want to be an actress and I want to be part of this race. And it's not about winning the race, it's about being part of this race. But if you want to see me being part of this race, you got to vote for me. Go to Gemstone Vote. I'm going to be acting and this is my original piece. I had to do it because he has caused me so much pain. All I remember is to wake up to his voice and I would hear him shouting, beating up my mom. But I'll cry to him, try to kneel down and beg him to stop. I would cry out loud, please, you are hurting her. Please, you are hurting her. But no, he had no pity. He had no mercy. Rather, he'll mimic me and beat us all up. But I had to do it. I had to put an end to it. And all I needed was one shot, one bullet, and it was all done. I had to make him suffer for the pain he has caused me, for the life that he has took away from me. That was my mom's life. I had to kill him. And I had to stand up in this court and plead guilty for murdering my own father, Patrick Jonas.